Welcome back guys in another video. Today we are in Sardinia. We were hoping it was gonna be sunny, but hopefully tomorrow it should be a nice day. Today we're gonna have fun here on the trails and with the bikes I built. Really happy to assist my friend, and now full gas. Here you can see two totally different setups. One is with the full fairing and nav tower, and one is on the handlebar bracket kit. Both systems work and have been tested at Dakar. I raced with the handlebar bracket, but many riders prefer the nav tower and the full fairing. The whole team is here to get ready to go now. And by the way, Domitilla will be a future rally champion.
Well, I'm currently a crash tester, so...
Yeah, she is the Rebel X Sports
I can
crash
only get
tester.
better, right?